that I scared you? Not hit the subscribe. Well, you might wondering what is this day gonna be, but you're gonna be seeing all my fidgets right here in this big box. Actually, there's a lot of fidgets there, but some others don't have fidgets. But comment down below if you have a fidget. Just say, me, I have a fidget. So subscribe now for new post videos. This is post now. So whatever. First we have this homemade dimple. Can't see it. This homemade dimple. Yeah, I like it. It's good. It's 10 because I love it. This sound puppet that is homemade. Actually, this is like plastic. And a beautiful puppet has noise. A puppet has noise. And we got another puppet that is square and pink. You're saying is red, but it's actually pink. And this is red. Red squishy. That's a fidget. But oh my god, the squishy fell. Okay, this is gonna tell. This is just one. It's ugly actually. That's my maid, not my dad actually. Nobody made that. And here's a simple dimple, as you can see. I'm gonna say. Okay, another simple dimple that is ugly. I don't like it. We got a stress ball or globble. It can actually stick, but yeah. This ball that is hard actually is really hard. And this, like a balloon, I don't know. This is like super weird. I put rice on it. Yes. And this thing, actually. It's not even a fidget. And another. Wait, there's more of these. I don't know. And we got this thing. And we got a monkey noodle. Watch. Oh, it spins so fast. Okay, pause the video right now. Go subscribe. So yeah, go subscribe. We got this dog. So yeah. And this homemade stupid puppet. And a pea popper. I broke this one cause yeah. But I have 2 left. A wacky track, but my sister broke it, so I just have this wacky track. So I got this. It's like a wacky track too. Like I don't know what this called. And this. Okay, I don't know what you call that, but yeah. It looks like a snake, but yeah, this squishy. Whoa, it sticks. And we have a marble mesh.
Okay, sure, yeah, you can borrow it, okay.
And this.
Okay, can I have it back? Give it back to me, it's my iPad.
And this is rolling finger. So good. And we have this ugly thing that I always need. Oops. Okay, this is like super weird. And I don't know if this is like a simple dimple. Like it is a simple dimple. So these are my favorite. I'll show you. These are like magnets. This is magnets. I'll show you. There. Look. Look. Look at that. So beautiful. Let's just go and put this right here. That, because I don't want to less it. So, yeah, that's all my fidgets. But I have the last one. So yeah, peace out.